Right, this is how you install my 15 gear knob onto a 991 and 992 as they're on the same shaft and gator mechanism. When you receive your gear knob, you will receive like this, and this is what you use to hold the boot in. So, what you do, inside of the boot, like so, and then that just slides through the hole like that and turn it the right way out. Next, gear knob, and you screw it on like so. And you just keep going until it goes snug. If it goes to the point where it's pinched on the boot, like it is here, back it off a tiny amount, and all I'm doing is just gripping on the inside here. And then that can rotate freely, which makes it easier for install. Right, now, this is assuming it's on your car. You take the gear knob, slide it over, and give it a good push until it's fully home. And then what you do is you unscrew the top. And tighten up 3 set screws. They don't need to be super tight, just a pinch. And then there's one there, and one on the other side. And the gear knob is solidly fixed to the shaft. Screw on the top. It's very easy to cross thread this, so take care with it. There we go. And just like that, that is the 15 gear knob fitted to a 997, 991, 992 shaft.